How to get a vertical app drawer on your Samsung Android device. This tutorial shows you how to switch your app drawer from a grid to a vertical scrolling list. First, swipe up from the bottom of your home screen to open the app drawer. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the app drawer screen. From there, tap on Settings to open the app drawer settings. Let me show you. At this point, look for the App Layout or App Drawer Layout option and tap on it. In the next step, you'll see two options, Grid View and List View. Tap on List View to switch to a vertical scrolling app drawer. Following this, tap on Apply or Done to save the change. Or if that's not the case, change the grid into something else. Here's an important note. The vertical list view makes it easier to find apps alphabetically. Your apps will be sorted A to Z, so you can quickly scroll to the one you need without searching through a grid. Finally, if you ever want to switch back to the grid layout, just follow the same steps and select Grid View. Your app drawer will return to the standard layout right away. And that's it. If this guide helped you get a vertical app drawer on your Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.